Mega U 16 kilowatts. Internal wiring configuration. CT terminal. DERMS terminal. Parallel terminal. Meter terminal. RS485 terminal. CAN terminal. Main output. Second output. Generator terminal. Grid terminal. Ground terminal. Battery terminal. When connecting the battery, the two on the left are the positive terminals, and the two on the right are the negative terminals. This is PV terminal. It can connect to 3 groups of solar panels. P51 is 18 amperes. PV2 is 18 amperes. P53 is 36 amperes. Internal diagram. Connect batteries. Connect the positive terminals of the battery to each other, and connect the negative terminals to each other. Connect BMS communication. The parallel batteries are connected via RS485C from the master and RS485B from the slave. After all wiring is complete, configure the battery protocol. Select Pylon protocol and confirm. After powering on, select the corresponding protocol on the inverter. After successful communication, we can check the battery-related data on the inverter. LCD display. Setting display. Battery load.